Hi there, in this video we will import the the product data into the Xcart file. The Xcart file that we'll be using is version 5.4.130. Okay, this is really the latest one at the moment, and so first of all, let's check the import files that the current the custom PHP file would be importing into the Xcart. So it will look through the import directory and load the first one and the other one. In the result, we will see what happens with this one, because this one is quite big. It's more than half of the megabyte, and this file will be split in two parts, and this one will be kept as is, because this size is obviously not very big. So the two files, let's check the first one. Its SKU is 2097, and it's got the data, one line of data, and the other one is 2097 and 0830, and some of the data is repeated here because there is a lot of categories to assign and different options. Okay, so actually 3 SKUs to import, and let's get started. So first of all, let's remove the items I just tested, and then we will execute the importer. We will check the timings and the files, the file status. So everything is alright in the logs, and let's get started. So time is running, and so it shouldn't take a long time, so just let's reload if it's already finished. So it's successfully passed the verification, no errors, and this is now running. Still running. Let's wait another couple of seconds. Maybe around a couple of seconds to wait, and yeah, I feel that it's done already. So it's finished, and 3 SKUs with lots of options and different data has been finished in about half a minute. Okay, so why is this important? It's important because, you know, the amount of data is processed is around half of meg, right? And this result that we have just seen is quite impressive, because it works faster. Right? Faster than the standard import feature that you execute via the admin.php, right? Via this backend. Okay, so if you upload files, if you start the import in the browser, the speed of this processing would be 1 megabyte per hour, right? About this number. But in the script that have just executed, the time required, right, is 30 seconds per half megabyte. So it's 1 minute per megabyte, which is a lot less than running it through the import feature that you can also use, right? I don't mind if you use it, but you know, I'm just developing the custom importer for a CSV file. So let's check the items already in the admin. So here is the first one, and we can quickly review the properties. It's got SKU, it's got image, long description, price, everything, and data, right? So custom URL and keywords, alright. And let's check the other one. The other one was 2097. Okay, let's review it. There are two of them. Price. So which one would you like to see? Maybe this one, okay. Also the image has got many categories assigned to, that's what I was talking about when we had a lot of lines in the file, in the import file. And what else is done, what else is interesting is the fitment tab. The fitment tab is for the make model, year engine model, right? So this import that I was just running is compatible with this add-on, right? So here's how it works. If there is a if the item fits any car with such as, you know, Buick Century and year 1977, 1981, and it applies for the 5-liter engine, then it's got a fitment for this car, and it's getting assigned to the fitment tab, and the data will be matched for this add-on. And for the front end, it will be very easy to find a proper product for your car, right? So yeah, let's see what happens if it sorts here. Sorry, it's edging. So no need to edit manually. The importer just already done it. So that's it. That's I think amazing. Running the custom script, custom importer works really impressive and processes a lot of data per minute. Okay. If you want to know about the speed of the update, right? So we can also check it very quickly. So to make sure the update changes the data, we will just run it again, alright? So remember, it's $11, and now let's execute the import again. Also, I remember I told you that the big file would be split into several parts. So apparently it breaks file in, you know, less than half meg, right? So you see, this is the case here. And before we check the log, let's refresh the folder and see if it's executed. So this was our importer, and let's see the update. The update is not finished yet, so let's check. Finished the update, and it took 36 seconds again. 36 here, and a little bit more this time because the server could be overloaded with other users. So I think let's refresh, and you see the price has been updated. So updating items also works with this one. So no worries about this. So it works fine. And if you want to import your data right into the your Xcart e-commerce website, please let me know if you need any help or if you have any custom requests or any advice. Share your comment and reach me via YouTube comments. Okay, I will link my website into the description, and look forward to to your visit to my website and sending me some comments on YouTube. Okay? Thanks and goodbye.